So when I think polyethylene tape, I think duct tape because it has a lot of duct tape-like qualities, but it doesn't have the cloth that duct tape does. So that allows us to put all types of different adhesive systems with it and gives us really good clean removability in a lot of different applications. So the first question I would ask a customer is, what do you need the tape to do? We have such a broad range of polyethylene and DefendFR tapes that can be used for all types of applications. So for building containments, you might use a utility grade polyethylene tape. But if you need UV resistance for stucco, we have options with that too. Our polyethylene tapes are great on a job site, especially for building containments. When you're splicing together your polyethylene sheeting and you want to build a containment, this tape will give a great bond and keep your containment secure. It comes in serrated edge or straight edge, and it's a really easy tear when you're out on the job site. In talking with our customers in the concrete underlayment industry, we recognize the importance of a low permeance rating. So in our BT 4026 high-tack poly tape, we have one of the lowest permeance ratings on the market. One of the benefits of the DefendFR line is that it's a flame retardant product. And with different building codes and requirements, it is always a help and never a hurt to have a flame retardant product in your building process.